Welcome to BodycamX, where we discuss the rights and the wrongs of police encounters. Our spotlight today features a video from a channel named Behind the Mugshot. Don't forget to check out their work and give proper credit where it's due. Today, we will focus on arrest under DUI, sobriety tests, use of fake ID, and actual physical control. Let's begin. She wasn't driving, she wasn't even moving, but sitting in her car with the keys nearby got this 19-year-old arrested for DUI. Is that legal? In this video, we break down a real DUI encounter between a University of Central Florida student and Officer Katie Proffer. Sophia, just 19, was found parked in a lot after a party. And what happened next raises serious legal questions about Florida's broad, actual physical control law. We'll walk through the stop, the car search, and what every citizen should know about their rights.
Hello, I'm Officer Proffer. How are you guys?
Good, how are you?
Good. Alright, so what's going on tonight? Were you fell asleep in here or what?
Yeah, honestly, just fell asleep.
Okay, have you been drinking?
Honestly?
Yeah. Okay, where'd you come from?
Just came from a house party and we figured it was safer to sit here. We were dropped off and I didn't feel comfortable driving, so we were sitting in my car.
Okay.
And I didn't want to drive.
Okay, do you guys both live here or?
I don't live here.
Okay, so how'd you get here?
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
So how'd you get here?
We were dropped off by an Uber.
Okay, and you just got in your car?
Yes, ma'am.
So your car was sitting here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you guys been smoking weed at all too?
No, ma'am. Don't
Okay.
do drugs.
Alright. Do you have weapons or anything in here?
No, ma'am.
Knives or anything? Okay. Get right there, that's fine.
You're okay.
So for driving under the influence, all you have to be is you're in the driver's seat, so you're in control of an operating motor vehicle.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's still illegal to be sitting in the driver's seat with you drinking.
Okay.
So are you willing to participate in some standard field sobriety exercises for us?
I have to?
I mean, it's up to you, it's your choice. But then if you don't, then we have to make a decision based on our evidence right now. How old are you?
I'm 19.
19, okay. So, yes, I mean, you can either participate in the standard field sobriety exercises, or like I said, we just make our determination now upon, speaking to you and our evidence, what we smell, what we see, and we can go from there, determine if we have enough to make an arrest or not. Alright, I'm going to check your eyes, okay? So I'm going to get out a pen, and this is going to be the stimulus, okay?
Okay.
Alright, do you wear glasses or contacts or anything?
That's negative, sir.
Alright, do you have any medical conditions that could mimic impairment, diabetes, low blood sugar, anything like that?
We'll contact you.
When's the last time you ate or drank today?
I want to say like 3 or 4 o'clock. I had a burger.
Okay. And then, so where were you guys at before here?
We were at a house party.
Okay. Was that here on campus?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, and then you had Uber take you here, and you just had your car keys on you, so you got in the car.
Turned on the car for warmth.
And then sat in here.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And then you guys both live here, or just her?
She just lives here.
Okay.
Is she gonna get in trouble?
I'm not sure yet. I don't think so, because she's not. How old is she?
She's 19.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure. Y'all have to.
No, I was just sitting in her parking lot. It's not her fault.
Heel to toe, your arms got to be down at your side. And count your steps out loud, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, you may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn.
Yep.
Is that okay?
Okay, keep going.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, you can turn around and face me. Keep your arms down at your side. We have one more exercise to do. Alright, go ahead and put your hands behind your back. You're going to be arrested for DUI.
Why?
Because you are operating a motor vehicle under the influence. You said she lives on campus, right? Yeah. We should be able to just get her at home. Alright, we're gonna go back to the back of my car.
Yes, sir. Just the wallet itself. It's black. It says Kate Spade on it. Has a car key attached to it. Okay. And then also like a key to get into my establishment.
Okay.
Alright, you can have a seat back here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and buckle you up. Have you ever been arrested?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down to the DUI center where we'll request a breath test from you.
Yes, ma'am.
And then from there, you'll be going to the Orange County Jail.
Cool.
For DUI, but they can only hold you for, I think it's 12 hours from like the time now, so you should be able to get out. I'll find out for sure. I think it's either 8 hours or 12 hours.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, hang tight, okay?
That's kind of where we start.
Thank you so much.
What other questions? So we're going to secure this car. Go ahead and take out anything that you need out of the vehicle, ma'am. Where do you live on campus?
I live right here. This is
Okay.
my house.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Excellent.
Are you good? I guess she's allowed to park here.
Ma'am, 1 second. Come back over here to me. Unlock the car. I can see cannabis in clear view. I was wondering what she hid underneath the seat. That's what that is. So if you come over here to me, I want to show you what I'm looking at. There's a bag right there that looks like it has green leafy substance. You see?
Come over here.
Come right here to me. Ma'am, remember when I was asking you what you were hiding in me? I'm gonna go in there and just take that based on my suspicion. That's the only thing I'm gonna take. I'm not gonna search the car or anything like that right now.
I never have.
Yeah. go ahead.
It's just based on the movement, so there might not be weed, but from what it looks like.
Okay,
So-
I promise you.
Okay, let us at least just find it if there is anything, and then we'll go from there. Good?
I swear.
The vehicle's not being searched. It was
There was
affirmative
plastic
movement.
that looked like something. In my experience, that looked like a baggie. And due to your further movement earlier, where it looked like you were hiding something underneath the towel, which I don't know if it was the alcohol.
I really wasn't trying to
I get you,
trying to put
okay.
the towel back where I found it.
I get it.
Because
But
it's not my towel, it's her towel.
there was alcohol in the vehicle.
There was, yeah.
You know you're not supposed to be possession of that, alright? Because you're under the age of 18.
I do understand that, yeah.
Nothing in the car. Thank you so much.
Great.
You can go inside your house.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a good night.
You too, ma'am. Charlie's home.
Conclusion. While Sophia ultimately entered a DUI diversion program, her case is a textbook example of how Florida's DUI laws can impact someone, even if they're not driving. Officer Proffer followed protocol, but could discretion have been used differently? If you ever find yourself in a similar situation, remember, you have the right to remain silent, the right to refuse field sobriety tests, and the right to know the law. Knowledge is your best defense. Thank you for watching. Help us continue exposing the truth. Like, share, and subscribe to BodycamX.